So we all started as a Beachbody coach to help people. That's like the bottom line of coaching, right? So we all want to help people, but isn't it nice to make a little income on the side? I mean, help people make money, win-win in my books at least. So we all have financial goals and we all want to make money in the beginning. The core of the business and the core of where you're really going to see financially your income climb and where it's really lucrative is from your team bonus. And that happens over time while you're building a team of like-minded people, while you're inspiring others to join you, to do this as a lifestyle, to become part of your fit family. So, but how do we make money now? What would be a good goal? Well, I think in the first 30 days, your goal should be to get your Shakeology paid for. Like, let's get that paid for, right? So you kind of just have to get out that BAT or the business activity tracker and really make some goals and figure out what it would take to make that happen and break it all down, make action steps, and go for it. Like I said, the core of the business is helping other people and inspiring them into fitness and really just going at it for full force and going at it and leading with your heart and just making sure that you can come up with a solution for people's problems, even if it isn't Beachbody, because people will remember that, people will begin to trust you, and they will come back to you. So I hope this helps. Please comment in the comment section below what you're going to do and what your financial goals are for this month. I'm looking forward to hearing them.